day at the shop. We're gonna work a little here on the General. We got a lower radiator hose that's leaking, so we're gonna pull that off and replace it. Take care of that. We gotta do a little work on the race car to finish prepping that for the track. Got a couple little things. We already fixed the lights. Just gonna go over it, make sure we're good. We bled the brakes. It's got all new fluid in it. It's good to go. We're gonna go and change the oil on the Bullitt today and replace the pinion snubber that's underneath the back. And already this morning we've been working here in the trailer, getting the some stuff on the shelf. We got stuff for the fluids, hook hanger, glove and towel holder mounted, as well as the fuel gas tank holders. So we got a few jobs to do. I think we're bringing over the 2015 Mustang for an oil change today. Going to take care of that as well. So I'll update you as we're going. We ended up having to pull the radiator out. We found some leaking. Excuse me while I get the flashlight here. It was leaking right around where the water pump bottom hose goes into the water pump. So, plus inside the radiator looked pretty nasty. Almost looked like it had rocks in it. So, Rick's rinsing that out now and cleaning that out. Disconnected the transmission lines. Get a new bottom hose. Get some coolant. Get it all nice and clean and flush. Might even put a thermostat in it while we're here. Go all the way, huh? We'll let you know more. All our radiators back in. Cleaned it out. New bottom hose is installed. Top hose reinstalled. Transmission lines done. All is good. No leaks. Car is running. Just gonna let it run a little bit and let the air bubbles out, purge the system, and go through. So all is good. We got the oil changed. Got filter in. 6 quarts of Mobil 1, 5W30. Get my mess here. All right. New diff snubbers in. Well, I had it up in the air. I stopped today and picked up a fuel filter, so changed that today as well. So all is good. Time to lower the car. Start it up. All right, the Bullitt is done. The race car is in the trailer. The General's back up on the lift, and Rachel started, but we're letting the battery charge. So we got everything done we needed to get done today. So there you have it, folks. Everybody, hope you had a great weekend. Be safe out there. Practice your social distancing, and we'll update you again sometime soon. Everybody be safe. Bye.